Imagine a world where the gap between design and reality shrinks dramatically, where innovation accelerates at an unprecedented pace. Today, I want to share the story of the Hilo One e-scooter, a project that demonstrates exactly this. It's a testament to how AI manufacturing is no longer a futuristic concept, but a powerful tool engineers can leverage right now to accelerate projects and drive innovation. This story will show you how AI manufacturing is changing the game. Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Dorian Sarsby, and I'm the Senior Key Account Manager at Xometry UK. I'm thrilled to share with you today a revolution in manufacturing, driven by the power of artificial intelligence and digital platforms. Let's explore how engineers can harness these tools to accelerate their projects and bring innovative products to market faster than ever before. What is AI-powered manufacturing? At its core, AI-powered manufacturing is about using intelligent systems to streamline every step from quoting complex parts to production of high-volume series production. Platforms like Xometry use AI to connect engineers with manufacturers located all over the globe, making the process incredibly efficient. Engineers can get accurate quotes in seconds, not days, thanks to AI analyzing your CAD files and producing instant pricing based on thousands of historical data points. AI-powered manufacturing platforms can also help engineers improve product quality and detect and rectify design faults at an early stage with their design for manufacturability feedback. AI-powered manufacturing platforms find the perfect partner for your project based on the project's complexity and manufacturer's capability, thus speeding up the lengthy and manual process of finding a supplier. This isn't just about speed, it's about making smarter decisions that streamline your projects. AI-powered manufacturing frees up engineers to innovate and to focus on designing and engineering their big ideas. So we've learned about the potential of AI manufacturing, but how do we turn that potential into reality? To answer that question, I would like to share with you the story of the Hilo One e-scooter, a project I'm really proud of, as I was the account manager and played a key role in delivering this successful project. Hilo EV, a startup aiming to revolutionize micro-mobility, faced the challenge of producing high-quality prototypes with a tight time frame for a major industry show. The Hilo One project was not just about building an e-scooter, it aimed to create a high-performance solution for urban mobility. The team at Hilo faced significant obstacles, including the need for rapid prototyping, optimizing the design for lightweight durability, and ensuring cost-effective production. With the goal of unveiling their innovation at a major trade show, they needed to develop 90 complex parts across 2 prototypes in just 25 working days. This ambitious timeline required a new approach to sourcing manufactured parts, one that could accelerate their product from concept to reality. The Hilo EV team turned to Xometry, leveraging our AI-powered platform and extensive manufacturing network to instantly connect with manufacturers who possess the right capabilities and experience to produce parts with the high quality and post-processing finishes that they required. By utilizing Xometry's resources, the Hilo team could effectively tackle the complexities of their project and ensure that the 90 parts met their rigorous standards for quality and performance. This collaboration allowed them to streamline the production process, significantly enhancing their ability to meet tight timelines without compromising on the durability and quality. The Hilo EV team harnessed the power of Xometry's target price orders, a game-changing feature designed specifically for corporate customers. This tool empowered the Hilo EV team to take the reins, allowing them to set the target prices for their parts and maintain complete control over their project budget. Imagine being able to benchmark the cost against market prices from previous projects or competitor offerings. With target price orders, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. This level of control not only fosters efficiency, but also opens the doors for innovation and collaboration in manufacturing. The Hilo EV team was able to rapidly prototype by connecting with a vast network of vetted suppliers and accessing multiple advanced technologies simultaneously. With the help of Xometry, the Hilo One e-scooter components were produced using various technologies, including 3D printing SLA for high-resolution transparent parts, SLS for durable nylon parts, and CNC for precise stainless steel and aluminium coupled with black anodized finishes. Together, these all formed the body of the e-scooter. So the Hilo EV team came to us with a vision to create not just an e-scooter, but an iconic, dynamic mode of transport. They needed precision, speed, and reliability in their manufacturing process to bring their sophisticated design to life. We understood the importance of the Hilo One's premium aesthetic requirement and its focus on safety, and we helped them to navigate the complexities of manufacturing, allowing them to focus on what they do best, designing a revolutionary product. By leveraging Xometry's AI-powered platform capabilities, the Hilo EV team were able to achieve their goal of creating an e-scooter that was not just visually stunning, but also safe and reliable. We were thrilled to be a part of their journey, and we're committed to continue and supporting innovators like Hilo EV bring their groundbreaking ideas to market. Now let's talk about what this means for you, the engineers, and how does AI-powered manufacturing change your day-to-day work? And how does it accelerate your projects? The answer lies in the significant advantages it offers around efficiency. Imagine needing a prototype, and instead of weeks, you get it in days. With access to a diverse range of manufacturing technologies like CNC machining, 3D printing, all from a single platform. You can accelerate your prototyping process. This rapid iteration is the lifeblood of innovation, allowing you to quickly test and refine your designs. So time is a critical factor in any project, and AI-powered on-demand manufacturing platforms streamlines project management by reducing lead times through automation and efficient supplier management. With access to over 10,000 vetted manufacturing partners and a dedicated production support team, you can easily manage large-scale projects and achieve faster market entry for your products. AI-powered on-demand manufacturing opens up a world of possibilities. Access to a wide range of materials and manufacturing processes enables you to explore and implement complex designs that were previously challenging or impossible. You're no longer limited to traditional manufacturing constraints. Ultimately, AI-powered manufacturing empowers you to be more agile, more efficient, and more innovative. It removes all the roadblocks and accelerates the journey from concept to reality. It allows you to focus on what you do best, engineering solutions. The success of the Hilo One project highlights the transformative potential of AI-powered manufacturing. As AI technologies continue to advance, we can expect to see even greater efficiencies and innovations in the manufacturing sector. I encourage engineers to embrace these technologies, and by embracing these technologies, engineers can unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency, driving innovation and shaping the future of industry. Explore the possibilities of AI manufacturing and leverage these tools to accelerate your own projects. What's your next big idea? And again, thank you very much.